Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best Android TV box in 2026 for streaming movies, TV shows, IPTV, and apps in 4K quality, this video is for you. Today, I've selected top 5 best Android TV boxes of 2026 based on performance, features, value for money, and user demand. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. MECOOL KM7 Plus Android TV Box. The MECOOL KM7 Plus is a Google-certified Android TV box running Android TV 11. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, powered by an Amlogic chipset, and supports 4K UHD playback. This TV box is designed for users who want a smooth and legal streaming experience. The official Google certification ensures stable app compatibility and regular updates. Performance is reliable for daily streaming and casual app usage. Pros: Google and Netflix certified. Android TV 11 interface. 4K UHD support. Stable Wi-Fi performance. Voice control support. The MECOOL KM7 Plus is perfect for users who want official apps, smooth streaming, and long-term reliability. Number 2. Ugoos AM6B Plus Android TV Box. The Ugoos AM6B Plus features the powerful Amlogic S922XJ processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It supports Wi-Fi 6, Gigabit Ethernet, and 4K HDR playback. This TV box is focused on high performance and customization. It handles multitasking, emulators, and high bitrate video playback with ease. Advanced users will appreciate its strong hardware and smooth UI response. Pros: powerful S922XJ chipset, 4 GB of RAM for multitasking, Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit LAN, excellent video playback quality. The Ugoos AM6B Plus is ideal for power users and tech enthusiasts who want performance over certification. Number 3. UBOX 12 Android TV Box. The UBOX 12 is a premium set-top box Android upgraded from UBOX 11. It is popular in regions like USA, UK, Japan, and Korea, offering preloaded content and smooth streaming. This box is designed for users who want ready-to-use entertainment without complex setup. The interface is simple, fast, and optimized for live TV and international channels. Pros: user-friendly interface, stable streaming performance, strong international content support, no complicated configuration. UBOX 12 is best for users who want plug-and-play entertainment with minimal setup. Number 4. EVPAD 12 Android TV Box. The EVPAD 12 runs with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, offering a large capacity for apps and media. It supports 4K resolution and is popular in many international markets. This TV box focuses on content availability and smooth streaming. It delivers fast navigation, good stability, and enough storage for heavy users. Pros: large 64 GB storage, smooth performance, strong market reputation, 4K playback support. EVPAD 12 is a solid choice for users who want powerful hardware and large storage for daily entertainment. Number 5. Great B GBM4 Arabic TV Box. The Great B GBM4 is an Arabic-focused Android TV box running Android 10 with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. It supports 4K playback and is optimized for Arabic TV content. This box is designed for users who mainly watch Arabic TV channels and regional content. Performance is decent for streaming and basic app usage. Pros: optimized for Arabic content, affordable price, 4K video support, simple interface. The Great B GBM4 is ideal for budget users looking for Arabic TV streaming. So, these were the top 5 best Android TV boxes of 2026. If you want official apps and stability, go for MECOOL KM7 Plus. For high performance, the Ugoos AM6B Plus is the best choice. For ready-made entertainment, UBOX 12 and EVPAD 12 are excellent. And for Arabic content on a budget, Great B GBM4 is a great option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Android TV box.